I'm a student in Generation 2025 at Pasara Namrek, Cambodia, and I am from Group 3. In this Visual Company 1, I am a Scrum Master. When I start this project, I think it is really difficult because the POS system is really new for me, and I also have to make it as a real one. Especially as a Scrum Master, I feel really nervous because I have to lead all the team members. But I'm really happy after we finish this project. And I also have learned a lot of both of hard skill and soft skill. For hard skill, I have learned about the process of MVC structure, manage database, Bootstrap, PHP, and some JavaScript library like Bootstrap.js and Sheet.js. And I also have learned about some tools like VS Code, Git, and Manage Tasks by Jira. For soft skill, I have learned about teamwork, communication, task management, problem solving, and lead the team. Thank you.
Hello everyone who watching the video. I am Bunicho and I am a student in Generation 2025 at Pasara Namrek, Cambodia. I am come from Group 3 and my role is about product owner during Visual Company 1 project. My feeling so excited during this project because this is a big gap project. It's compared to another project that I ever done before. And one more thing, I'm really interested with it because I have to find the customer outside the PNC to talk about project requirement to do VC1 project. And after I do the project, I learn a lot of things from it, like hard skill. Hard skill, I learn about MVC structure, PHP, database, JavaScript, and query also. And moreover, I also learn about development tools like VS Code, Jira, GitHub, and Git also. The last one is I also learn about soft skills. There are a lot of soft skills that I learn from it, like communication, teamwork, task management, time management, and problem solving also. Thank you.
My name is Liter Den. I'm a student in Generation 2025 at Pasara Namrek, Cambodia. I'm from Group 3. I'm a Code Quality Master in Project Visual Company 1. And for my feeling in the project, when I start the project, I think it's difficult because it's the first time that I do project with a real customer, and I feel very happy and excited also because when I work as a team, I get new experience and learn new skill like such as hard skill and soft skill. For hard skill, I learn about MVC structure that allow me know clearly about MVC structure and PHP database, and we learn some development tool such as GitHub, Jira, and Visual Code also. And about soft skill, we learn about time management, and problem solving, and critical thinking also. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Chen Yang. I am a web development student of Pasara Namrek, Cambodia in generation 2025 and I am from Group 3. During the visual company 1, I am a quality assurance. As a quality assurance, I need to test our feature in our project. And for my feeling for this project, I feel a little bit nervous and happy because it is the first time that I do the project with real customer, and I happy because I do the project with new member that I never do the project with them before. And four things that I can learn from this project, both soft skill and hard skill. For soft skill, I can learn like communication with our teamwork when we do the project, task management, time management, and solidarity. And the one more is about hard skill. For the hard skill, I can learn concept MVC, how to create the database, how to connect the database and get the data from the database by using PHP and JavaScript. And for me, finally I really appreciate with our team project for their hard working. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Renette. I'm a web development student in generation 2025 at Pasarel Numeric Cambodia. I'm from Group 3. In this project, I'm the off. For my feeling in Visual Company 1, when I first started in this project, I felt nervous and unsure because it was my first time working with a real customer and a real system. After completing this project, I feel happy, proud, and more confident in my skill. After this project, I have learned many hard skills such as using MVC structure, working with PHP, MySQL, using JavaScript library like database, jQuery, and Chart.js, and practicing QA testing and clean code. Moreover, we also used development tools such as VS Code for coding, Jira for task tracking, and GitHub for version control. For soft skill, I improved my teamwork, communication, time management, task organization, and problem solving. I'm very thankful for this Visual Company 1 to grow technically and personally. Thank you.
Hello everyone, right now I will demo on my application that our team built during VC1 project, and we built by using PHP, database, JavaScript, and another programming language, and also use JavaScript library like Chart.js also. And the first of interface is about login form. As you can see login form, and user and admin, they can log in by email. And for me right now, I will demo all of you about login with email as an admin. As you can see, you log in by using email and using your password. And after completed to this form, you can click on login button, and it will show our system that has interface like that. And there are some page like dashboard page, product management, stock management, product list, category, supplier management, report, user management, and notification, and have and logout also. And before we know this page, I want to demo the sidebar. Before the sidebar, we can click and the button to show and unshow it, and you can see the notification image. And all this notification is alert when the user or admin do action on our system, like create a new product, delete a product, and edit also, and help user that show username and role of the user also, and the user can view the profile and can edit here also. And the first is I'm going to talk about dashboard. Dashboard, there are a lot of feature like uh, count all the product in our system, and it calculate as a percentage out of 460 product, and so all the item in our system that we count all the quantity each product, and so all the price on our system and low stock in our system uh, also. And in this graph, the user can view 10 product. Oh, sorry, the user can view 20 product, and most of 20 products are the top of product in our system that have high quantity, and also so the lowest and low product in our system also. And in this chart, in this page chart, the system so all the unique each for each product also, and you can see in under the graph you can see the table, and you can search to find the product that you want, and you can filter product by click on unique. And after all the dashboard, we're going to know about product management page. About product management page, the where is the page that user can add, can apply all the product to our stock, and user can import all the product in our system also. You can see the search bar to search on our product. You can see product that we have in our system is not if we show the mistake like that. And one more is about add product. In our system, the user can add product like product name. We can add product name, the quantity of the product that you want to apply. I want to apply it 5 for quantity, and description, and also product price also. And we choose the unique of product and upload the image also. After upload the image, if you don't have any image, you can upload it as a URL from the browser also, and you can submit. After submit, you can see in this notification alert some one more notification, because we just add a product into our system. And one more thing, we can see the product that we already add. Just a moment. And one more thing, we can import product by using Excel file also. We click on this button and going to put the file that have product that you want to import it. Yeah. This is a file that have name of product and information product. You can click here. You can see the product that I just add. And one more thing, in this page we also add a product into our stock also. Like we click here, when we click we see the action on it, and the user can delete the product from the stock or product management page. And one more, the user can apply in all the product to stock that they want to apply after they select on one stock name and can apply to the stock. Yes, after apply to the stock, and we can have button clear the action also. And one more thing, talk about stock management. Stock management page is where we have currently product, like how many product that are out of stock, how many product that are low stock. For in this stock that show the product quantity below 50, and this stock show product upper than 50 product, and they have action also. They have delete view or edit the stock also. And in this stock the user can search for product also, like yes, this is a product like I already searched before, and we can create the stock into our system also, like stock name, and add the product that you want to add into our stock and the quantity. I want to add it as uh, uh, out of stock. This is the name that we already add before, and we can do an action on it. And one more thing about product list. In this page, very simple because we just see a feature to search for the product and all the product in our system before and now, and we can do an action like just delete and edit. We no need to add because we add on stock management page. And one more thing about category. About category, we also use to create category in our system. Like we can see the search bar also. If not have any category, it will show like that. We can clear filter here, and we can create our category. Yes, add category like drink one, and add description drinking water, and we select the product that we want to apply in this category also. After, we can see the product name and in our category, and can click to see view detail. You can do an action like view detail, edit and delete also. One more thing is about supplier management page. About supplier management page, where the user can view who supply their product, that they can add the new supplier here, and also the user can delete and edit view detail on supplier also, and delete the supplier. And about after supplier management, I going to demo about report page. This is a report page has interface like that, like show all the product in our system, some how many product our stock, how many product low stock, how many product they are in our stock. And this is our category in our system that we already create before. And one more thing, we can print our report as a PDF also, like hey interface like this. We want to print landscape like this. We want uh, sit as background or not, like this is our we can save like that, and we can say I don't want to save. And this is on our report page. And one more thing about user management. In this user management, where the user and admin of the system can view all the user, but it different. For the user, it just see the user name, user last name, email, and status. It they can view they can do an action like view detail, edit or delete as a like admin admin. For admin, they can do all this action in our system, but all the user who work in the store, they cannot do all this action. And one more thing, notification. As a notification, this is a notification that we record all the action that user or admin do everything in our system, like add product or delete or edit product. Also, we can delete all the uh, notification from here. And one more thing is about Happeg. About Happeg is so the user as all the peg in our system like that, and so the user guideline for each peg, like how to use dashboard peg, how to use uh, stock management peg, this how to use user management page, and also show some information to contact us also. And this is a logout that we can log out from our system, like if we click we see interface like that, we log into on our system. And one more thing I show about profile of the user. Of the profile of user, you can see the name, the role, and uh, profile also. In the profile, if we don't have any image, it will be so default image like this. And this is my profile that I already input my image and have lead has leader, then this is the name of the user and email and currently active also. And the user can edit their profile, like change the uh, image and upload, like change the name, change the password, change the role of the user also. Change the role. For me, I want to change the role to remove all of you if I change a role. I already changed a role in the user. I cannot do anything as a I cannot do anything in our system on a user management page. I just see the uh, user name, user email like that. If we are a user admin of our system, uh, we can do anything here. If we are a user, yeah, we don't have any tool to change our role also. Yes, about our system is that all. Thank you everyone for listening or watching my demo on my application.